Okay, let's walk through the steps on how to get your Meta Business Suite business ID so that you can provide it to your marketing partner so that they can manage anything from your ads to your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So we're going to start with a fresh browser window here, and we're going to navigate to business.facebook.com. Again, that's business.facebook.com. Now, we're already logged in. Sometimes if you have multiple accounts, you might need to select which account you're working with, or you might need to actually provide your login credentials. So just know that you might encounter that. But once you get to this screen, you're going to come down here to the bottom left where it says settings. Click on settings, and that will bring us up to this page with all our different options. We're going to scroll down here in the menu until we find Business Portfolio Info. Click on Business Portfolio Info. And when that comes up, it's right here. Here's your business account name. And right below that is your business ID. And you can copy that and send it to your marketing partner, and you should be good to go.